Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. We are gonna teach how to combine or how to create a website using Python. Okay, with the help of Bootstrap and CSS and Java query, and how can we modify that Bootstrap? Okay, and we are gonna teach you about the methods where the server and client will be connecting. That is called the post method and the get method. Actually, post method is somewhat like is a privately uh, connecting method. Get method is an publicly connecting. But let us go to the program. If you are new for this uh, FLASK tutorial, just go back to our channel. We made some videos there, okay, for about the FLASK basic tutorial, and come back and watch this video. Okay, this is full and full how to create a website using only Bootstrap, not other websites. Okay, let's go to the program. From uh, I'm importing some of the functions from the FLASK library. Okay, this is the FLASK library. So from this FLASK library, I'm gonna import some basic things. That is called render template, redirect, request, URL for, and FLASK. Sorry, FLASK, Flash. Okay. Then after we are importing this, we are gonna need some variable to pass these things. So I'm creating an app variable. In this app variable, I am going to Flask. Yeah, I am going to create a Flask object. In that object, there will be a name in which it is the main thing will be connecting to the server and client. Okay, server, not server to the client. It will be connecting the website and the Python. Okay, so if it should be running means, so now we are gonna create a root. Okay, how to create a root? Just make it as at symbol here. Okay, at, and we are gonna pass the root through the variable that is called app, and we are gonna make that app as a root. Okay, and in that root, how it how the website can travel there. Okay, by this slash. Okay, so in this root, we are gonna define some function. What should be the function? Let us assume a home. In a basic web page, there will be a home. Okay, we are defining a function called home, and we are gonna using a return variable return. Okay, in this return, we are gonna use the render template. Why render template? You can ask. Because render template is the thing which can combine the Python file, and it can call the HTML file to the Python file. So I am creating a new file. Let us say a new file, new.html. Okay, so I am creating this in a template. How? Just go to the HTML file, just type new.html. Okay, you just use HTML4 file. Okay, yeah, here it came. So for if you're new to this website or new to this web page, just go and enter the title. Yeah, just enter the title as, if you need it is admin or something, just write that admin. Okay, admin page. In that body you can write, sorry, you can use header, that h1 tag. is a basic tag. Hi, and next we can use h2 tag. I am admin. Okay, then we are going to the scratch. After this, what we are doing is just we are going to if. What if? Why we need if? Because if the name, okay, the name I am comparing to a main value means, sorry, main value. If I compare that to main value, my app should be running. Okay, and why? If my app is have some problem while running, it should be debugging itself. So I'm activating the debugging true. Okay, let us go to the Chrome. Okay, in that let's go to the bootstrap, go to the getbootstrap.com and go to the documentation. In the documentation, go to this CSS file. There will be CSS file, JS file, starter template, everything, and navigation bars, everything it will be there. So let us go to the CSS and just copy this because this is a style sheet. So we are copying this. You need to put, you can put in any HTML, new or new one, anything, and but the CSS file must be present in the head. Okay, so let us copy this and let us align this also, as well as we are can align this. Sorry, after that just go to the JS query. This is a Java script file, so this should be present, okay, before the bottom body. So let us paste this here. uh, we can align this also. Okay, after we are aligning this, we are going to make a navigation. We are going to copy the navigation because I'm not expert in a Java queries and all, but if you need more about, I can put the tutorial for that also. Let us go back and we need to search the navigation key, navigation bars. So that is now bar. Yeah, here just click this. Okay, in this there is a template for navigation key. Okay, and for this is the template, main template. Okay, for this template, this is the coding. This is quite easy, pretty easy. So if you need, I will put. Okay, I'm just copying this and it should be present in the body. So the navigation must be present in the body, not in the heads. Okay, so let us put this in the body. So if you need, you can align this, or let us go there. And before going there, so first, wait, I will just, shall we run first? Okay, after that we will go there. Okay, let us refresh this home page. Look, this is the navigation bar. So it came the home. If we click home, nothing will happen. Link, nothing will happen. Drop down, it action, another action, something else. Everything will be coming. In search bar, you are typing in the search bar, no, it won't respond. If you search, nothing will be coming. Okay, so if we click home, it should be going to some other page. If we click link, it should be moving to another page. So if you don't need this name, or if you don't need this nav bar, you need your, okay, navigation bar, or your name in the navigation bar, we can change that. How we can change that? Okay, let us go there to the HTML. So first we will change the background color, background name. Okay, first let us make this as this background light is, let us change it as dark. After that, here also we can change it as dark. Okay, let's see how it changed. Okay, look, it changed. Now we are going to change the name. Cybo. I'm putting Cybotech. Okay, I'm running this. Look, Cybotech. If I click Cybotech, it won't come. If I put Cybotech, it needs to redirect to some page. So I'm putting it as home. It needs to no, yeah, for you. It needs to go home. So let us make here. Look, in home. I'm putting it as home, creating a root as home, and creating this. I'm taking this admin. Okay. Now let us run. Okay. So look, it is telling hi everyone. Wait a minute. Home. It came to home. If I sorry for that. Okay. Let us change this one as home. Okay. So I'm running again. Okay, it is finished. So it is saying it is home. If home, sorry, look, if I click that home, it redirects, but it isn't, because I am changed that in Cybotech. Okay, if I click Cybotech, it will change. Look, it goes to the home. So, but in this, it didn't bring this template. Okay, it is moving to some other page, but it is not bringing the navigation template to the website also. So for that and all, we will discuss in the next tutorial. Okay, but in this tutorial we will change everything. Okay, look, if you need home, just click that home. If you need link, just change this link as some college or something. So this is the main thing to root. So I am changing it as login or something. Okay, login, sorry, login. So this href is a hyperlink reference tag. So this is the main thing. If we change this, and if we change this and put this in a root, and if we create a root as that name in the tag of href, so we can change everything. Okay, we can root to that. Okay, so okay, let us run this again, if it is changed or not. Let us see. Okay, look, it is changed as college. So if you need to change anything, you can change. So let us see how we can put that argument. Okay, argument in that Python. Okay,